The Bajaj Nano CNG 2025 is a game-changer in the world of affordable and eco-friendly transportation. With the rising demand for fuel-efficient and sustainable mobility solutions, Bajaj has introduced a vehicle that blends compact design, economical performance, and environmental consciousness. This innovative model is set to redefine urban commuting by offering an alternative that is both budget-friendly and environmentally responsible. Bajaj, known for its expertise in two-wheelers and three-wheelers, has taken a significant leap by venturing into the ultra-affordable car segment with a focus on CNG technology. The 2025 Bajaj Nano CNG retains its small footprint, making it ideal for navigating congested city roads while also being fuel-efficient. With a sleek yet practical design, the car is built to accommodate urban drivers who seek affordability without compromising on quality. Under the hood, the Bajaj Nano CNG is equipped with a fuel-efficient engine that runs on both petrol and compressed natural gas. This bi-fuel system provides flexibility to the driver, allowing them to switch between petrol and CNG as per availability and convenience. The advanced engine management system ensures smooth transitions between fuel modes, offering seamless performance and enhanced mileage. Bajaj has fine-tuned the powertrain to deliver optimal efficiency, making the vehicle one of the most cost-effective choices in its category. One of the most impressive aspects of the Bajaj Nano CNG is its remarkable fuel economy. CNG-powered vehicles are known for their lower operational costs, and this model takes full advantage of that benefit. With ever-rising fuel prices, this car presents an excellent solution for budget-conscious consumers. CNG also burns cleaner than petrol or diesel, reducing harmful emissions and contributing to a greener environment. This aligns with global efforts to combat pollution and promote sustainable transportation. Despite its compact dimensions, the interior of the Bajaj Nano CNG is thoughtfully designed to maximize space utilization. The cabin features a simple yet functional layout, offering adequate headroom and legroom for both the driver and passengers. The seats are ergonomically designed to ensure comfort even during extended commutes. The dashboard is equipped with essential controls and an easy-to-read digital instrument cluster, providing real-time information about fuel efficiency and driving conditions. Bajaj has prioritized safety in the design of the Nano CNG, incorporating essential safety features such as a reinforced body structure, seat belts for all passengers, and an advanced braking system. While it remains an entry-level vehicle, it adheres to modern safety standards to ensure a secure driving experience. The compact size also aids in maneuverability, making parking and tight turns effortless in crowded urban spaces. The affordability of the Bajaj Nano CNG makes it an attractive option for first-time car buyers, daily commuters, and small business owners looking for a cost-effective transport solution. The low maintenance cost further enhances its appeal, as CNG engines generally experience less wear and tear compared to conventional petrol or diesel engines. Additionally, government incentives and subsidies on CNG vehicles in many regions make this model even more financially viable for consumers. Bajaj has also integrated smart features to keep up with modern automotive trends. The vehicle is equipped with basic infotainment options, connectivity features, and a user-friendly interface. These additions enhance the overall driving experience without inflating the cost of the vehicle. By maintaining a balance between affordability and functionality, Bajaj has successfully created a practical yet appealing car for the masses. The launch of the Bajaj Nano CNG 2025 signifies a shift in the automotive industry towards cleaner and more economical transportation solutions. As cities become more congested and environmental concerns rise, compact and fuel-efficient vehicles like this one play a crucial role in shaping the future of urban mobility. It stands as a testament to Bajaj's commitment to innovation and sustainability, ensuring that eco-friendly transportation is accessible to a broader audience. With its affordability, fuel efficiency, and low environmental impact, the Bajaj Nano CNG is poised to become a popular choice in emerging markets and metropolitan areas. It provides an excellent alternative to traditional petrol cars while maintaining the convenience and practicality that urban commuters need. As the demand for CNG vehicles continues to grow, Bajaj has positioned itself at the forefront of this movement with a car that delivers on performance, cost savings, and environmental responsibility. Overall, the Bajaj Nano CNG 2025 is a smart investment for individuals looking for an economical and eco-friendly vehicle. Its combination of affordability, efficiency, and modern features makes it a standout option in the entry-level car segment. By addressing the needs of urban commuters and environmentally conscious drivers, Bajaj has successfully created a vehicle that is both practical and future-ready.